In this part 2 of the small series, I'll be showing more of the finishing process for this Witchy Frog model. In this step, I'm lightly sanding the surface using 400 grit sandpaper to smooth out any uneven spots and prepare it for the next stage. This sanding step helps even out the surface and remove any small bumps or shiny areas left behind from curing. I'm not trying to remove too much material here, just giving it a gentle pass to create a nice, smooth texture that's perfect for priming and painting later. I focus mainly on the areas where the resin tends to build up, like the edges and curved sections, while being careful not to oversand the details. You'll notice the surface starts to look more matte as I go, which is a good sign that it's evened out. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in achieving that clean, professional look. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll start getting the witchy frog ready for color.